Barcelona finding out now about the Tannadice roar. The goal! A complete freak from Gallagher. He just aimed to play it across the goal and it dropped in.
And there goes the final whistle. Dundee United are through to the semi-finals of the UEFA Cup. A thoroughly deserved achievement. Coming here and beating one of the most expensively acquired teams in Europe.
Dundee United about to become the fourth Scottish side to make a European final, the first to go to the final of the UEFA Cup. And the performances justify that tonight. Kevin Gallagher, he's away from Herlofson. Can he do it all by himself? He has Redford waiting in the middle. Here's Gallagher, now Redford, a great chance for United second. Here's Redford, yes! The night of glory is completed by Ian Redford. And Jim McLean celebrates Kevin Gallagher's coolness under pressure, setting it up for Redford. How about this for coolness at this stage in the match? And Dundee United lead by 2 goals to 0, and the final whistle has gone. Dundee United are through to the UEFA Cup Final, and they'll face Gothenburg to qualify tonight. But the celebrations begin among the United players going to greet their fans. This has been one of the finest performances in history by a Scottish club side.
Special mention of her valiant support. For without them, we would never achieve this. Having won the Premier League, now we must build to try and win the greater things. And believe you me, we are ambitious at Tannadice, and that is our aim.
on for Nielsen. Well, start with the Greek. Here's Nielsen taking on Clark. And that's the goal which United were dreading. Lennart Nielsen, 22 minutes into the first half. Here's Belfast. Right to play from United. Sturrock has freedom on the left. Here's Ian Ferguson. Well, you can't come much closer than that. Good play from Clark, and there's the equaliser, and that is a magnificent goal from John Clark. Now just look at this for quality striking, turning away from his marker, the left foot shot, swerving away from Bernison, in off the post, and United are right back in the match. Have won the UEFA Cup, and you really can't take anything away from them. There's their supporters. Lennart Nielsen being hugged. Flags are waving, and the United flags also waving as the United players go to collect their losers' medals. So there's Paul Sturrock, Billy Thompson going through, the United fans appreciating supreme efforts from Dundee United this season. They made such a contribution to the season, both in Europe and at home, and in the end they finish up sadly with no winners' medals to show for all their efforts over 70